our topic is this is okay. So I'm going to teach you about this is okay. Then turn to the board. Everybody turn to the board. Turn to the board. What is this?
This is a tree.
Yes, this is a tree. This is a tree. It's a tree. So this tree is near to us. Hello, 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 Ayush. Don't do like that. No, go back, go back, go back. No, yes. No, so this is a tree. So this is a tree. This tree is near to us. Near to us. ये tree हम लोग का सामने है. I can touch it. I can touch it. You can touch it also. We all can touch it. We all can touch it. सभी हम लोग छूते because it is near to us. This is near to us. ये हमसे सामने है. अच्छा, okay. We can touch it. Can you touch? Hello. Look at there. Can you touch that bottle? Can you touch the bottle without going there from here to there? यहाँ से वहाँ जाए बगैर आप उसे छू सकते हैं? Yes or not? Without going there, can you touch that bottle without going there? Without going there from here to there. यहाँ से वहाँ बगैर जाए हुए आप छू सकते हैं? No. Yes. No. If we want to touch that bottle, अगर हम उसे छूना चाहते हैं, then we will have to go there. हम लोग को वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा ना? So that no, so this is used. Something is near to us. कुछ हम लोग का सामने है. अब we can touch. हम लोग छू सकते हैं. Then we will use this is. तब हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? This is. No, wait. I will show you. No, look at it. No, don't do that. Go back. I say go back. No, you also go back. No, first look at it. What is this? You have to speak a little loudly. What? Also, this is a pen. Can you touch it? Yes. So, we all can touch it. हम लोग सब इसे छू सकते हैं. What? No, what is this? This is a glass. Yes, very good. Can you touch it? Yes, because this glass is near to us. क्योंकि ये हम लोग के सामने है. But. Stand there. Wait, hello. Don't go there. No. Can you touch that glass? क्या तुम अभी उस गिलास को छू सकते हो? Can you touch that glass? No, because that is far to us. वो हमसे अभी दूर है. That's why we can't touch. इसीलिए हम लोग छू नहीं सकते. Okay then. So I will ask you one by one. You have to answer me. Okay then. Okay. So first, who would like to answer me? कौन आंसर देना चाहेगा first? Raise your hand. अच्छा, everybody want to. Okay then. You sit there. No. You also. Okay. So first. Okay. First, Ankush first. No, Ankush, what is this? Yes, very good. Everybody clapping for Ankush. This is a ball. Yes, very good. No. So second, Preeta. Preeta. No, Preeta, what is this?
This is a cat.
Yes, this is a cat. This, clapping, everybody. Is a cat. Everybody clapping. No. Yes. This is a cat. No, third, Sujata. No, it's Sujata turn, है ना? अब सुजाता का बारी है. No, Sujata, what is this? What is this, Sujata?
This dog.
Yes, this is a
Dog.
dog. Yes, very good. So this is a dog. This is clapping for Sujata, clapping for Sujata, clapping for Sujata.
अभी मेरा
No. Next. So, what is this? What is this? You. It is your turn. So, Ayush, what is this? Look at this picture. Yes. So, this is a. Yes, you have to speak a little up. जोर से बोलो. This is a fish. This is a fish. This is a fish. Everybody turn this side. Turn this side. Clapping. Hi, hello, Ayush Babu. Don't do like that. No, everybody say. Yes, sir. You did very good. Bye.